Good morning, guys! So, this is our 4th day here in Gold Coast, guys. So, ready na si Craig and ready na din ako. Aalis kami, guys. Meron lang kaming pupuntahan and then after that, we'll see. So, marami tayong nagawang video na i-upload again soon. But this is our 4th day. We still have 3 days left here. So, marami-rami pa tayong dito magagawa. So, ready na yung aking asawa. And so, pogi yan. Hi, babe!
Hi, babe.
What are you doing, babe?
Oh. Hey.
How are you doing?
I'm doing alright, babe. How about you?
I'm doing alright, too. So, bless you. So, yun lang, guys. And I'm gonna vlog again later. And see ya. Bye! So I'll buy you some Gatorade then.
Yeah, we got some orders anyway.
No, cannot tell. I didn't tell yet. You tell it. We can post this when we're ready. So, hi guys! We're walking here, guys, sa aming hotel. So, alis kami ni Craig. Sakay kami ng tram. Tapos pasyal kami sa town. Katatapos lang namin mag-lunch sa bahay kasi mayroon kaming natirang pagkain kagabi. So yun. So hello malang.
Hey, babe.
So that's it. What you're supposed to say? Say something.
What am I supposed to say?
Yeah, but I interrupt you.
Well, I was just going to say that today's Tuesday,
Hmm?
and it's the 27th.
And we still have how many days?
We're here till
I
Friday.
think I already told that yesterday.
Yeah.
This morning. That's it. So yeah. Bye guys. So sobrang init, guys. Very hot, my love, no?
Hot?
No.
It's warm.
It's actually the weather is warm.
The breeze is
The-
actually
the-
quite nice, isn't it?
The weather is warm and the breeze is make it cold, so it's really good. It's
Yeah,
not
just
cold, but it's
Takes
really
the,
good.
takes the edge off.
Yeah, so it's really nice, guys. So this time, yan oh, lakad-lakad, lakad-lakad, lakad-lakad sa town. Yan.
Hey, babe.
So the babies here. I think it's similar Chihuahua. Same with Ilna, the one that someone still in her apartment. Hello, you're friendly. Hi. Hi, Kitty. Hi. 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 Look at the tiny mousey. Hello. Hide to each other. Oh yeah. They're very small, guys. I don't mind this.
You don't mind it?
Yeah. Hello. Hello, kitties. Daming birds, guys. Colorful. Good. Oh, look, that one is cute.
Lovebirds, though.
Ah, this one you need to buy them.
So
You need to buy two.
They raise them by hand, and then they're ones that you can pick out. And called a spiny leaf stick insect.
What again?
A spiny leaf stick insect.
Oh, they look like a wood, guys.
Yeah.
So yun yung isa, guys. Oh. Parang siyang kahoy, pero actually it's they can change their house in.
Yeah, you've got to give them different size shells. So
The one there is big now. This one is big now. So Ritz Avenue. I'm sewing this dress yesterday. You know, the orange ones. Ooh, that's pretty.
yeah.
How much is that? Ooh, they have a nice clothes here, guys.
They might have it on the.
Yeah, I
rack
think
somewhere.
so. The rack, where is the rack of that coat? Ang gaganda ng mga dress.
What do you think, babe? Don't you like it? Hey?
So, hi guys! Tapos na kami maggala-gala. Kauwi lang namin dito sa apartment. Then, pakita ko sa inyo yung aming napamili. Diyan yung asawa ko, guys. Kasi guys, mayroon silang ano dito, swimming pool, pero kaya naisipan kong maligo na ano. Tapos, pero hindi ako nakadala swimsuit, kaya bumili ako ng swimsuit. So, bumili ako nito, bra, then panty, and then bumili ako ng puro akin lahat, wala si Craig. Bumili ako nitong Korean shirt. And then this been one of mine. I got a Korean skincare. I've been wanting this for so long because diba Korean has a nice guys. So Anoa. So I got these 3 things na ano siya, Korean product. 7.7. Nakita nyo ba? So yan siya. And then ito. So diba, ang ganda nila. So itong isa is toner. Ito ay toner siya guys. So pakita ko sa inyo. Kasi nga, maano ko, diba, prone ako sa pimples pag may period ako. So, try natin to. I just tried it because they said this product is really good. Marami to lagi sa, sa TikTok. Pero sabi nila may mga fake daw na ganito. Kaya kumutag ako sa So, ganito siya. So, ang ganda. Yan yung toner natin. I love it. Next, itong Pores Control Cleansing Oil. Cleansing oil siya guys. So, Korean yung mga nakasulat kaya hindi ko mababasa. Wala siyang meron siyang English, So, yeah, let's check what's the inside of this. Wait lang, open ko lang.
To do?
No more. Next, this one. This is the famous one, I think. Yung cleansing oil niya. Yes, the Anoha. I don't know if I pronounce it right, but it's Anoha. It's Control Cleansing Oil. So, ang ganda nito. So, pop lang siya. So, ilan to? 200 ml. And how about the other one? This one is 250 ml. Whoa, that's a lot. So, ang ganda talaga ng na texture ng mga ito. Next. Oh. Ito. Isa din ito sa cleansing foam. So, magiging foam siya, babe. It's a foam. Cleansing foam. So, yun. Maganda daw to sa sa mga pimples. Pag may mga pimples ka palagi. Keep it simple. So, tingnan natin. Tapos, binigyan nila ako ng pa-free. But of course, kasi mahal tong mga to. Pero, may free sila na mask. And then, hindi ko alam kung ano to. AHA PH Miracle Toner. AHA PH Miracle Toner. So, toner din siya. Maganda yung ng mga Korean, hindi siya yung sobrang bango kasi yung kanilang mga pangmukha, siya, hindi siya mabango, hindi din gaano. Parang mild lang. Yan daw yung maganda pag wala masyadong amoy, mas maganda. Then, bumili din ako ng kanilang lip tint there, yung tint nila. Maganda yung nito, color. Nasuot ko na siya kanina. But let's still try it. So, ganito yung kanyang kulay. Siya. Ganyan. Korean. Alam niyo naman, pagdating sa mga skincare, Korean and Japanese has pero more on Korean. Maganda yung mga skincare nila. Maganda yung mga skin nila. Meron nga akong toner. Wala naman akong cotton. Yan lang guys. Chill lang kami. And then, mamaya punta kami sa swimming pool. At nahanap na din namin yung lagi kong hinahanap na books guys. Yung ni Tony Gonzaga. Yung suggestion niya na the best daw basahin. The Set of a Soul. Oprah Winfrey in my what? Really? I thought Oprah doesn't believe in it. So yun guys, ang ganda. Basahin natin yan sa bahay. The kind of that part.
Yeah.
Look at that. It's like we're in
In where, babe?
this one is like
This one?
This
This is dinner, babe.
dinner.
Italian tonight.
Yeah, just the music. Tapos na kami mag-dinner, guys. So, ikot-ikot na kami dito. Tapos balik na kami sa aming hotel, babe.
Hey, babe.
Let's go. Hindi maliwanag.